Good job. Holding the rice. We're going to talk the word. Đây chính cái bóng và chia thờ là nhà tiền đó công. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Belgria and Mr. Zheng Guoyang for assisting up here. Thank you very much. I will interchange my speech in Hmong and English at the same time, since we have a mixture of audience in this auditorium. Now, back in Laos, this is what we do every day. It also meditate, it also sends energy to the